going on, guys? Oh, oh my god, so sorry. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the map called Find the Bottle. Here are the map makers. I will link his Twitter in the description. His name is Shafiq Miss. I don't know. I'm sorry, map maker, if you're watching this. I'm so sorry. Don't don't be mad, please. I'm just joking. Here are the game rules. Don't ever break any blocks unless been told. Number 2, don't cheat. Number 3, play and peaceful. I already done that. Hold on. Number 5, you can break button and craft it. If you get stuck, get then you can cheat. Enjoy. Play on day. If you good at night, carry on. Okay. The information. This is this is simple. You just need to find the button and place it near the door. So where's the button? Where is it? The map maker gave windows, but I threw them cause I I want a open handed. I want a clear space. Um, these two. Nope, I didn't notice that. So we find the button, cause there's no button and there's one wood there. I think that should be it. You can break the environment, flower, leaves, and grass, and ta 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 ta. Oh, there's a hint. I'm blind. This shape is beautiful. Is it up there? No. Oh, apple. Oh, ooh, the button. Oh my god. Find the button in every chest. I already know that. Cause there's a lot of chests. You can't break the top one cause there's sub. What is that? Sub? Yup, a sub. And you can't. I don't know why. Ooh, look at that lever. What? I already found this. You found me. What is this? Is there any hint? Nope. I'm gonna ride it. Hold on. Oh god. Oh my god. What? 9 plus 10. It was 19. Oh, congratulations. 9 plus 10 equals 19, not 21. You get A plus plus plus. Take that better. Okay. Thank you, map creator. What? Oh god. Right. Go on. Ooh. Damn. The portal is broke. Better fix it. Use all this stuff to make a diamond pickaxe. Okay, map creator. Stick and wooden pickaxe. We don't need that. We don't need that. Oh my god, lag. That lag though. I don't need that lapis. Arm, arm. Stone pickaxe, my bad. For getting the iron and coal. There we go. There we go. What is that? The button is inside the nether. Okay. Oh. So, do you guys like me? If you guys like me, hit that like button below. Please show some love to me. Can you please show love and thank you for subscribing me and nope, that was an awkward silent moment. Sorry. There we go. Iron pickaxe. Mine the diamond. One more. And there we go. A diamond pickaxe. And now we should make the portal. So slow. Fudging slow. Oh. Sorry. Wait. How? How am I gonna lit up that nether portal? What? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, everyone. That was unfortunately, you know, it's time to go to the nether. Hmm. Whoa. Hold on, guys. This is a long video. I will do a part 2, I think tomorrow or later. So bye now. I will do a part 2. This is super long. Sorry, guys. Bye.